If you're a small business in the market for a new payroll provider, you'll want to compare Gusto versus QuickBooks Payroll. Both of these solutions are made specifically for small businesses and come with an impressive list of features at a reasonable price. Choosing between these two vendors can be tough, so we put together this comparison video to help you decide. If you're not sure where to start with payroll software, we can help. Use the product selection tool on our website at TechnologyAdvice.com to request a free shortlist of personally tailored payroll software recommendations. For more info on Gusto versus QuickBooks Payroll, keep watching. First, let's take a look at pricing. Both Gusto and QuickBooks Payroll come in 3 different tiers. You pay a base price to use the software, in addition to a per employee per month fee. For both vendors, you only pay this fee for currently active employees and for contractors that you paid in the month you're looking at. Features in both systems depend on the plan you choose, but all plans for Gusto and QuickBooks Payroll come with the following features: unlimited payroll, availability in all 50 US states, payroll tax calculations, garnishments and deductions, automatic payroll, and health benefits. Before we move on to looking at features, it's worth noting that Gusto is generally less expensive than QuickBooks Payroll, but QuickBooks does run promotions on its service from time to time. Depending on when you sign up, you could end up paying less for QuickBooks than Gusto, so it's a good idea to check. When it comes to core features like payroll, Gusto and QuickBooks don't differ much. Both systems provide a way for small businesses to pay their employees easily, on time, and without much hassle. Running payroll in both systems is fairly straightforward and doesn't take much time at all. That being said, there are a few key differences between Gusto and QuickBooks that are worth taking a look at. If you go with QuickBooks' highest priced tier, Elite, you get access to a tax penalty protection feature. Basically, this means that if there are any payroll tax or filing errors with your payroll and you get fined by the IRS, QuickBooks will cover the cost of your penalty up to a certain amount. Plus, QuickBooks Tax Resolution Team will work with you to help make sure the mistakes don't happen again. Payroll can be complicated, and mistakes do happen from time to time. Knowing that your small business is covered in the event that you get penalized is definitely reassuring. Gusto's highest priced tier, Concierge, also comes with some cool features, including the Employee Handbook Builder. This feature gives you access to templates for important documents like offer letters, performance evaluations, and employee handbooks, and walks you through the process of customizing them for your own business. Plus, the Concierge plan comes with full harassment training, so you don't have to spend extra money hiring a third-party vendor to train your employees. This saves you money and reduces your risk of doing business. Apart from core payroll features, Gusto and QuickBooks Payroll also come with a list of add-on features that you can pay extra to access. The only add-on common to both vendors is workers' compensation insurance, but there are a couple offered by both providers that are worth calling out. If you hire contractors, you'll need to provide them with a 1099 at the end of every year. For Gusto, 1099s are automatically generated and sent to your contractors via email at no extra cost, but you pay for this service with QuickBooks Payroll. There's also time tracking. QuickBooks Payroll offers time tracking and PTO management through its tool T-Sheets. This is available at an extra cost tacked onto what you already pay for payroll. Gusto does not provide its own time tracking tool, but integrations with time tracking tools come standard with every plan. If you like T-Sheets by QuickBooks but want to run your payroll with Gusto, you can even integrate your Gusto account with T-Sheets. At the end of the day, deciding which payroll provider is better is up to you, but we'll offer this guidance. If you rely heavily on freelancers and contractors in addition to your full-time employees, you might want to go with Gusto. Gusto automatically generates 1099s for your contractors at no extra cost, and while QuickBooks also supports direct deposit pay for contractors, we feel that Gusto makes it slightly easier to pay them. But if your small business already uses QuickBooks for accounting or point of sale, you might consider going with QuickBooks Payroll instead. Intuit, the software company behind QuickBooks, makes several other software tools, and they all play nicely together. If you're still not sold on Gusto or QuickBooks, use the product selection tool on our website. We'll ask a few questions to get to know your needs, then we'll match you with 5 vendors we think you'll love. Click the button on the left to get started.